Alright, so for Ashwin's group, all I had to do was to collect that coding file. So let's go back to my classroom and see if I could collect that from, where would it be? Programming submission 6. Flow file. I'm gonna download this file. Click here for that file. Download. Show in folder. Control X. Go back to my problem solving here. Let's make sure the file running. Why? Mary. All right. How much variables you had in your program? Just 2? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Probably 4, so yeah.
Yeah, you had to initialize all of them. So that's a change you gotta make for me, right? So even emp name and y1, you gotta give it some initial value, just like how you give these ones an initial value. Since it's strings, you can give it a value of NA. So for example, I would have put assign and I'll give it a value at NA, which for me means, in my mind, means not applicable. But I put MA, TV rated for mature audiences only. Breaking Bad. Alright, like so, like that. So you understand what I mean by that feedback, right?
Yes, sir.
Alright, good. Delete it. Alright. So I just get a feel for what the program, what the course has to be doing. I like your cover page, by the way, very good work. Alright. So this matches the Flowgram file that I just looked at, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just making sure. Make it a little bit easier for me to mark now when you say things like that. I see Jaden say, Jaden, I didn't take role for today, boy. Things was a little bit helter-skelter. See. Alright, so traceable showing results using a randomly generated data set, normal data. Y Anthony Marcus 2000 Y root Smith. Let me see. So it's 4 variables used. You have 4 variables inside here. Okay. So normal data. All right. So tell me about this first one here. So he did not qualify for commission. He qualified for commission. All right. This is an excellent trace table. Very concise, straight to the point. It tests everything in the program. So algorithm for console. So you enter Y Isaiah minus 2240. Let me just reproduce that. Y. So you enter. I'll put it over here. Y. That's funny. You know why I laugh, right?
No, sir.
Huh?
No, sir.
Alright, cool. I don't know why I laugh either. Anybody else know why I laugh?
No, sir.
Alright, cool. That's good. He does not qualify for commission. Then we have Luke. So I put Y again. Let's check here. Oh, so Y then Luke don't feed an N. Y. $3,500. All right. All right. So for this part here, do me a favor. Just adding a line over here saying this program was created in Flowgorism, which is a graphical programming language. All right. And what you're gonna do for me also, you see the terminator symbols, I want you to remove them. So we had them in the algorithm, but in this case I want the examiner to know that there's a distinction between what happened before and what happened right now. This is what it looks exactly like in Flowgorism. You understand me?
Yes, sir.
Alright, so let me get to your mark scheme and let me see if we could assign the marks and be happy about it. So what am I looking for? Give me a second, this thing on a separate monitor here. Alright, cool. Coming in now. Problem solving and programming. So start of algorithm 1, identifying 1, initializing. I'm gonna get the mark, but I'm gonna put not. Please. Strings. You understand what I mean, right? We talked about that before.
Yes, sir.
Alright. So I still give it the mark for it because the evidence is compelling that you understand what initializing variables is. But I want it to be perfect. I don't want for CXC CSEC to look at anything and take away any marks. It's only 4 variables you use, right? Just to double check.
Yes, sir. Only for.
Alright. Appropriate test data. More than appropriate test data, we call that exhaustive test data. Changing in values correctly demonstrated, working program, variable initialization, program documentation. So you're gonna get full marks, but please make the changes and do a resubmission. All right. The deadline is gonna be Monday, 8 a.m. All right. I post it for the other class. I just had to post it for the fellas as well. All right. So I'm happy about that. You have any?
Also, we will post a new one.
I'm gonna post a new assignment. All right.
Okay.
So look up for a new assignment. Most likely I'll post it after class. I want to talk to Zachary and them first now. That's why I'm kind of rushing.